Good morning, farm friends. Will here. So what are we doing today? So the plan is get these sheep off this field onto another field for some better grass. I've already got the red dragon fired up, ready to go. She was a bit cold to start this morning, but all right. I've put some hurdles up, you can see them there. So we're creating a makeshift pen to get the sheep in, get the trailer up against that gate and then get them moved. I'm just going to go get a few more hurdles and the feed, and then hopefully entice them in and then get them moved. I'll take some videos then. So we're all hooked up now. I'm just opening these little ventilation windows for them, as it's a nice, it's like 4 degrees today. They probably don't even need that much ventilation with the distance I'm traveling, but best off to give it to them than not give it to them. Oh, but yeah, I could definitely do with a pair of gloves. It is chilly, just touching metal all the time. Right, once I get the sheep loaded up, I'll show you that then. Well, one of them's already making their way. Way! They're all in the pen, yes! So, last load now, so hopefully these girls go on okay, but probably not. Fingers crossed. like no one wants to ride top of the bus. Best place. I missed unloading the other lot, but we'll get this one, don't worry. We'll come back with a truck to collect that. Unfortunately, this can happen when you've got sheep in the field. They just decide to push things over. So they've pushed that over and they've knocked the lid off that box there. So I'll just pick this up now. So luckily, the bees are going to be fine. There's a few coming in and out. The entrance was blocked, or the debris must have fallen onto it when the hive fell over. So I've cleared that out. And what I'll do is I'll put the mouse guard back on now, and then just keep an eye on them over the next couple of days. They got a good weight to them though, so they should be fine.